In this video, I want to talk about how you can change your Shein email without verification. Now keep in mind, mostly you need to have verification, but if you want to try and do it without, what you can do is head over to either the website or the app, go here to the customer service. Once you're on the customer service, you want to type here everything. So type your entire situation. Maybe you lost access to the email or stuff like this. Now keep in mind, mostly it will be an AI you're talking to, but you can ask it to connect you with an agent, which will be a real person, and then you can text with them. Now, what you might have to do is some sort of proof that it's you on the account. So you might have to provide them with what kind of payment method, when you created the account, what your full name is, maybe your shipping address and stuff like this. So just try this and see if this helps. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.